We are thrilled to announce Dojima Wallet is going live. Hi and welcome back to Dojima Network. I am your host Charan. So in today's video, I'll talk about Dojima Wallet. I will walk you through the interface and explain all the features. So let's not waste any more of our time and start the video. So what is Dojima Wallet? Dojima Wallet lets you organize all the layer 1 tokens in one place with just one seed phrase. There are other things you can do using Dojima Wallet like checking the latest price of a token, 24-hour statistics, blockchain info. You can also transfer tokens and also check all the transaction history at one place. You can also check variable gas rates for transactions. Don't worry, I will show all of this in the Dojima Wallet walkthrough section. We are currently supporting Arweave, Bitcoin, Binance, Cosmos, Ethereum, Polkadot and Solana chains. So let's see how you can register with Dojima Wallet and also see what features it has got. I will show you a demo transaction also. So let's jump right into it. So this is what you will see when you open Dojima Wallet website for the first time. Don't worry, I'll leave the links in the description. Okay, cool. Let's consider you as a new user. You haven't registered with Dojima Wallet or for that matter any wallet. So you will be not having any seed phrase. I will explain what seed phrase is in a while if you have no idea. So new users, click on get started. So in the next step, you will have to create a password and it should be a strong one. For example, if I try to use a simple one like 1234 and click on continue, it won't allow me, it shows an error. So the password must be minimum of 8 characters with one lowercase, one uppercase, one number and one special case character. So I will use something like this. Now click on continue and this password is not saved on any server. Dojima Network will never save your passwords. This password will be on your local device, the one which you are using. The password is used to encrypt the seed phrase which we will be seeing in the next step. So click on continue. So in this step you will get your seed phrase. It's a collection of words, typically a 12-word seed or 24-word seed. Users have the flexibility to choose based on their interest. For better security, a 24-word seed phrase is suggested. Now you don't have to sit and write each and every word. Just click on copy seeds. That's simple. Cool. Now before we proceed, you copied these words, right? Paste it somewhere, preferably a text file, because next time you log in, you will need to upload the seed phrase in a text format only, TXT format only. So this is my text file. I pasted my seed phrase and I saved it as a text file. So I suggest you to do the same. This is very important. That is why I'm stressing on this point. So in the next step, we have to verify. So click on proceed. So select the words in order, how it asked. Don't just select randomly. So it is asking me 19th word, 2nd word and 22nd word. 19 is present, second is boring and 22nd word soup. So click on confirm and that's it. You are in Dojima Wallet. Now before I walk you through the interface, I will log out and show you how to log in if you already have a seed phrase. So it's the same initial page again what you'll see. Now if you have already registered with Dojima Wallet or if you have a seed phrase from any other wallet, you can use that too. You can use that seed phrase to link with Dojima Wallet. If you have multiple wallet accounts from different chains, don't worry, you can connect all of them in the Dojima Wallet. For now, just use any one of the seed phrase to log in. Now click on import with seed phrase. You can drag and drop your seed phrase or you can upload a .txt file. That is why I told in the beginning to save it as a text file, not as a PDF or a doc or a page or anything. As you can see, you can enter seeds manually also, but why waste time? Just save it as a text file and upload it to make the process easy. Now I have uploaded my seed phrase. I have to create a password again. This is to encrypt the seed phrase that we just uploaded. Again, Dojima Wallet will never save your passwords. It will reset every time you log out. So new password every time, more security. How cool is that? So now let's talk about the interface. So this is what you will see as soon as you log in or you create your Dojima Wallet account. On the right side, you will find all the coins Dojima Wallet currently supporting. Trust me, more to come. And on the left side, you can see the token balance if you have any. And you can also check the market data. You can set the graph as per week or monthly or yearly. Also, you can click on any individual token, let's say for example Bitcoin, and see more data like 24 statistics and number of blocks, transaction, hash rate and all. Here you can also notice the Dogecoin, which is Dojima Network's token. Soon testnet will be launched, developers can test their dApps and all. We'll talk about it again in a separate video. If you want, comment down. Now let me show you a demo transaction. Let's say I want to transfer Solana. So I'll click on Solana. As you can see, you can find both send and receive options. I want to send, so I'll click on send button. Here on the left side, you can find my token balance. So I can type how much I want to send either in dollars or in the token amount. Like for example, I want to send 1 Solana, and below you can see it will show equivalent money in dollars. Or I can type how much I want to send in dollars also, like $20 amount equivalent Solana I want to send, and the equivalent Solana is updated on the top, 0.495 something. You can also use these add and remove buttons to change the value before you proceed. Like I'm increasing the dollar value, I can also decrease it. Now click on continue. Here you have to paste the address to whom you want to send. And below you can notice there are different network speeds, slow, average and fast. So user can select their network speed based on their interest and emergency. Usually different network speeds have different gas rates, which is the charge. But for Solana, it's the same for every network speed. So I'll select fast because I want to make my transaction faster. So I'll click on the review button. Here you can review your transaction before you send it. So you can check all the transaction details like how much you're sending, to whom you're sending, what is the transaction fee and all. Now I'll click on send button, and that's it. The transaction is done successfully. You can check the transaction details here. Also, you can go to the activities tab here and see all the transactions you have done. You can filter by token name, for example, Solana. So here all the transactions I have done. You can see the time, date, transaction hash and block number, and I can filter it again. I want to check Bitcoin now, for example. So here are the Bitcoin transactions I have done. I can click on any individual transaction here and see the full details again. What was the gas fee, time, hash, and how much value I've sent. Pretty cool, right? So that is pretty much about Dojima wallet. More features and more chains will be added. We're also planning some crazy stuff for developers so that they can test their dApps. Like Dojima Faucet. This will give you testnet tokens for testing your Dojima dApps. And obviously these tokens will not have any value in the mainnet. We are also planning a Chrome extension. Developers can use this while building their cross-chain dApps and use all the Dojima wallet features. We are also planning to launch a cross-platform OS app, Dojima wallet app, for all operating system platforms like Mac, Windows, Linux. Users can visit the links in the description and register with Dojima wallet right now. And also join us on our Discord and Telegram channel so that you can participate in all the events that we are conducting right now. And there are some crazy prizes too. What are you waiting for? Join us there. I'll catch you in the next one.